Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I am working on a love journal. This is episode 7. I want to work on this page, and this page is going to be for writing. I want to do a bit of stamping and then maybe do a little bit of a design. And I have it shaded around the edges with some gray right now, and I think I want to do some corner stamps maybe on the side, and I have this one here I think will be cute. I have this one here. It's like a, see there, a flourish, and if I put it here and then one on the side, I think that'll look cute. I have my corner stamps on now, and I think they're looking really good. I like it. I want to do this side now, and I want to do the edging. I do have a stamp here. It has a like a lacy pattern. And let me get you a little closer. I have this ribbon here, and it is like a lace ribbon, and I think it'll look really good as it runs on the edge of my page. And I'm going to go ahead and add that. I want to work on adding in some cuteness and to make it cohesive with the rest of my book. So I've been brainstorming and I kind of have an idea what I want to do now. I did create some stamps out of the pieces that came in the kit, so I want to put them on here. is my new writing page. I like the way it turned out, and I hope that you guys like it too. I want to work on this page next. This page may look a little different to you. That is because I changed it. I had to take notes so I knew what it looked like before. So this page I used to have like a floral background, and then I had a slanted polka dot. This one here, I had a slanted polka dot paper here, and then I had another paper going this way. Now when I had did my page turned out way too stiff, so I had to make a correction. In the process, I tore the background on my page, so that is how I end up with this pink polka dot page. At the time, I did not have another one of the background pages, and I did not know where it came from. So I finally found another one, and I found it at Hobby Lobby. So this is one of those things, you know, I buy paper I love, and it goes in my supply box. And I guess when I created that page, I threw away this portion. So anyways, a long story. I want to still use this page on here, and I've decided to redesign my page also. I want to keep the pink background because, you know, that's now permanent. And I want to do a pocket this way. See? And I also want to use the polka dots as somewhat as a contrast to this page. Something like this, right? I think that'll look cute. On this page, I want to do something about the background. I was drawing a complete blank is why it's white. I think maybe I'll do another pocket. Let me see. Hold on. So I have a writing page here and a writing page there. So I can always do another pocket on this side. But I'll decide as I go. So let me work on this side first. Here is my completed page. I hope you guys like this one too. Here is the first page I worked on today. I really like the way it turned out. I am quite happy with it. I have writing space on this side and plenty of writing space on the side. And I've managed to use my lace stamp. I really like this one. I plan to use it more often now. I like this. And then the next page I worked on is this one. And I was able to use my original paper and I'm quite happy with it. Now, I have a pocket on this side here. I can add whatever I want in here later. And I just put a sticker on that page, and I did use some strips to make the edge of my pocket more colorful. And then on this side, again, I used the floral print paper on here, and I just put a copy of the postcard here, and I like it. And then I also used some vellum to create a pocket right here. See there? And I just used some bling bling to tack down my vellum. Well, to make it look like it's been tacked down. And then I took a greeting card from the Dollar Tree and I just used the top card. And I can use this as a journaling space later on if I like. I also covered up the greeting and I put the word loved on there. I like it. And that can go right here, and you can still see the word love through there. Isn't that cute? I like it. And I hope that you like the pages that I've created today. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you in the next episode.